funded and focused feature, let me share an experience with you. Trevor ran a small solar installation business outside of Kingston. He had a skilled team, solid reputation, but unpredictable cash flow and no real path into government contracts. Like many small business owners, he believed government contracts were complicated, political, and out of reach. When storm damage created urgent repair needs and single source contracts became available, Trevon realized the issue wasn't access, it was readiness. He didn't have his business properly categorized, no procurement calendar, incomplete compliance, and no system to respond quickly when opportunities appeared. Step by step, Trevon changed that. He aligned his business to the correct procurement categories. He updated tax compliance, secured insurance, registered on the online procurement platform, and built a simple bid-ready package. At each stage, he chose where to do it himself and where professional guidance would save time and costly mistakes. The result wasn't just one opportunity, it was a repeat conversation, faster responses, and predictable revenue. Trevon didn't just win a contract, he built a procurement-ready business.